Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this Wi-Fi keypad smart door lock to do a review. It's made by TCL, runs it completely off of Wi-Fi. You do not need a bridge to operate this. So let's open it up, look at its features, get it installed, see how it works. Okay, let's take a closer look what all it comes with. Comes with a user manual. This is the D2 series smart door lock, a quick start guide. Here's a template that you can use to drill out or install your door lock. You have the two parts of the actual lock. This is the keypad side, and you might note here it has a built-in 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. No hub is required. So we'll go ahead and pull this off. It'll expose the keypad, the ringer, and then the keypad. I'll put that back on temporarily. Then you have a box of accessories. Let's see what all's in it. You have the part of the plate. A couple of keys. The door strike itself. A couple of pass keys. Wireless. Assortment of screws. It does require 8 AA batteries. So this was an easy smart door lock to install. Pretty simple, pretty quick. Good thing I like about it, just runs totally off of your Wi-Fi system. You can unlock remotely uh, just by pressing the lock unlock button. Many other features as well. You can share your codes or establish a code for different people and guests and so forth. So this is what the door lock looks like on the outside. Once you press any number on the keypad, it will light up, and then you can simply put your code in.
Door unlocked.
Also came with a couple of keys.
Door locked. Door unlocked. Door locked. Door unlocked.
So I recommend this Wi-Fi keypad smart door lock by TCL.